high ticket affiliate commission. So whatever your product or service is that you have, how are you gonna sell it? How are you gonna get paid for those high ticket commissions, right? So the first thing that I want to say is a high ticket sale is no different than a low ticket sale, right? So a sale is a sale regardless. So if somebody's going to buy from you, they're going to buy from you because they know, like, and trust you, and they believe in what you have to offer. They believe in you as a leader. They believe you as their ticket to the promised land, you know. So if they're going to buy from you, that's why they're going to buy from you. So the product or service really does not matter. They are buying from the leader because they like the leader. They like you as a people. So they like what you have to offer. They like knowing exactly what it is they're getting into, and they like having support. So if you're supportive as a leader, they like that, and that's what's going to get somebody to buy. It's the relationship that you build with somebody over time. It's not about the product or service, because it doesn't matter if it's a $5 product or a $500 product or a $5,000 product, right? It's the amount of value that you give to the marketplace that actually has somebody buy from you, because it really does not matter the product or service, because somebody that gets a product or service from somebody that does not give any value, they're not really going to do nothing with it. You know, a lot of product or services that people have got into, and I'm probably sure that you've signed up for some things in your past that you thought that it was going to help you out, but then you didn't have any support, and it was like you didn't get anywhere with it. You know, so that's the main thing. You got to have that support system, and you got to have that team of people that you could actually hold and have as accountability partners. You know, because you got to have accountability partners when you're doing this stuff to actually hold you accountable and actually hold each other accountable, so that you're actually productive in your business. If you don't have that kind of thing going, that kind of structure, that kind of support system, it's real easy to get off track. So how you want to make high ticket commission sales is it's all about the problem of the marketplace, right? So whoever's having a problem, so you got to actually know what their pain is so that you could solve the problem. If you don't know what their pain is, it's really hard to be able to determine if somebody needs what you have to offer. So it's all about finding their pain. It's all about knowing what they need and being able to provide that for them, being able to be the problem solver, the solution, right? So it's all about their pain. It's not about the product or service, and it's definitely not about pitching somebody, because you're not pitching somebody if it's something that somebody needs. If somebody needs something and you're just having a conversation with them, and you're just trying to build a relationship and build rapport with somebody, and you find out that they have a problem in their life that needs to be solved, well, then you could frame your product or service or solution around what they have and what they need in their life to actually help them. So that's how you actually make high ticket sales, is you have to build that relationship, build that rapport with somebody first. Then you find out their pain in their life and how you could solve their pain, right? So that's exactly how you're going to make the high ticket sale. If you just try to pitch somebody, they're not going to buy. It's like going into a store and somebody from like Foot Locker coming up to you and saying, "Do you need help with anything?" You're like, "No, I'm just looking at the display." You know, if you go and you try to pitch somebody on your product or service, it pushes them away from you. You know what I'm saying? So you want to actually have a relationship built with whoever you're talking to actually build that rapport. Yeah!